Hi guys, I am Manam from Upward Infinity. In this video, I am going to teach you how you can convert a normal header into a sticky header. So let's get started. First, we will go to the dashboard and we will go to the plugins area and click on add new. Now on the right side we will search MyStickyMenu and here we need to install this plugin. Click on install now and activate. So here we are on the dashboard of the MyStickyMenu plugin. Here we have all the settings. We will go to MyStickyMenu settings and here we will change it to primary menu, keep it always, and here we have the default setup completely, transition and everything. If you need to adjust anything you can do, and here is the slide effect or fade effect. We will select slide. And here if you need to change the background color of the header you can directly do it from here, and also the text color from here, and also here you can apply the custom CSS. I will keep all the settings as it is and we will click on save and continue. And here we can see that our header is now converted into a sticky header when we scroll. And let's check the mobile version too. Yeah, it is also perfectly aligning on the mobile. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please like the video, share it with your friends and also subscribe the channel. Thank you.